What's up everybody, this is Cora once again. Today is gonna be an unboxing video and I am ready, of course. The item is ready, so let's get it on. I'm just gonna be exactly using the same scissors to cut the plastic kasi ayan po, balot na balot pa po siya ng kanyang plastic, guys. So, just have to cut this open. Alright. And once again, guys, we have purchased this to one of the leading online shop in the Philippines. So, there you go. And look at that. This is wrapped with bubble wrap all over. You see that? Wow. Amazing. Let me just remove this one first, para makita natin yung kanyang box. Alright. There you go, guys. Wow. Okay, so what do we have here? We have here Redmi AC2100. This is a gigabit router, a dual band wireless router. From Xiaomi. There you go. So, sa mga nakakakilala at nakakasubaybay na po sa amin, guys, ayan. Ang husband ko po ay nagbi-build or gumagawa. He's making a piso Wi-Fi, our own piso Wi-Fi for business. And we have already tried a couple of routers and access points already. We have Tenda F9. We also tried TP-Link router, and we also have Comfast access point. We also have directional access point. Okay, so and this is gonna be the next. So all of those routers so far, guys, ang pinaka in terms of router so far, our recommended one is the TP-Link. And if you want to know more about those routers na nabanggit ko po, guys, I'll put the link on the description below. So maybe you want to check on it, okay? Para sa inyong family, sa bahay nyo, na router, applicable po siya. Pwede siyang gamitin. Yes, so kasi ang aking husband, guys, ay nag-experiment, nagtatry kung ano ang mas better na router na affordable. Kasi, yes, yung TP-Link po namin ay quality-wise perfect. Kaya lang, syempre, quantity-wise, medyo a little pricey, but it's okay. So, there. Alright, look at that. This is what we have here. Okay, so first, cardboard, guys, of course. Cardboard that serves as a divider for its items, and para hindi siya naghahalo-halo, nagme-mix up. Okay, there you go. Alright, so of course, so we have here power adapter. It's colored white. It's nice. I normally see colored black, but this time this one is colored white, and I like white. Okay. And of course, we have here Ethernet cable. I think this is 1 meter long. 1 meter long. It's colored black, guys. It's nice. And of course, our router. So let me just. It has, guys, it has plastic pa ha. I mean, it's really nice. I like it. Wrapped plastic, and it has 6 antennas. There you go. And take note, it's wrapped with plastic too. Unlike the other routers or access point that I have unboxed, I have showed you before, they have nothing like this. Cool, right? Let me just remove this one. It has 6, okay, so that you will see. There you go. There you go. It's nice. This is once again Xiaomi Redmi AC2100 router Gigabit dual band wireless router. Alright, and also do not forget we have here a piece of paper Of course, this is the manual. This is, yes, the manual, guys. It's just that it's written in Chinese. There is no English, but that's okay. It's easy to follow. Alright, guys. So, just for your additional information, guys, na ang router po nito, ang kanyang configuration is Chinese language. So, but if in case in the future or maybe one day you will purchase this kind of router, we will be making our configuration. Alright, we will show you how to set this up, but you will be guided accordingly. And also, the good thing about this router, guys, is meron siyang mobile app for both iOS and Android devices. So that's a good thing. And in the mobile app, guys, it's English language, so it's easy for us to understand. All right. And in the mobile app, you can also set this up on that application. So there's no need to go to your computer, your laptop. It's very easy to configure using your mobile if you already downloaded the application. Alright, so just to share you my experience in this product, guys. Magaan lang po siya. Magaan kesa sa TP-Link. Alright. And then, nakita niyo po yung design niya. Ayan. It's like see-through. Alright, colored white. Alright, guys, so do not forget, yes, of course, it has 6 antennas with 5 dBi high-gain omnidirectional antennas. Ayan, yan po siya, guys. And then, you can see that there is the Redmi word here. Ayan, Redmi. And then, there are 2 LED lights here. You can see that. Right, it says internet, and then it says system. So 2 LED lights for internet and system. So at the back portion of this router, there you see. Okay, so let me see. This is the port here wherein you will plug in your power adapter. This white color here. And then there you will see here 4 ports. These are gigabit ports, okay? First one here, guys, is the WAN port, or WAN. The rest, the 3 of these, are the LAN port, or LAN. And then you will see a little hole here. This is for the reset button. Alright. And then also, guys, just to share you the bottom portion of this router. There. Alright. Now, just to give you a little of its specifications, guys, it has 2-core, 4-thread CPU, 880 MHz frequency. Alright, it also has 6-channel high-performance signal amplifier with 2.4G and 5G signal dual-band concurrent. The highest rate is 2,300 Mbps. Alright. Also, it can cater up to 128 users concurrently. This is Xiaomi Redmi AC2100 Gigabit dual band wireless router. The main specifications are processor MT7621A MIPS dual core 880 MHz, ROM or ROM, that is 128 MB, memory, that is 128 MB, dual frequency with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Protocol standard, that's IEEE 802.11a/b/g/n/ac, IEEE 802.3/3U3AB. Wireless security, it has WPA-PSK/WPA2-PSK encryption, wireless access control, black and white list, SSID hiding. Alright, now this AC2100 class wireless speed mainstream speeds up to 2 gigabits. Powerful dual-core CPU, 128 MB large memory for stable connection of 128 terminal devices, 5G band rate, 1733 Mbps, 2.4G band independent signal amplifier for wide coverage of 2.4G signals, built-in NetEase UU game acceleration. And once again, this is Xiaomi Redmi AC2100 Gigabit dual band wireless router. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please make sure to subscribe and tick that notification bell. Do not forget our Facebook page, that is Unboxing and Everything, and also our Twitter account, that is UnboxingE. Alright, I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye! Love ya!